Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your speaker QCY SP7 available for your Android device? So I already installed the application, the QCY application, and in the app we can check supported devices for this app. We need to open it. Of course, you need to set up this application, then click at device and at the bottom select all products. We need speaker, so click at the speaker, and right here we have only one speaker, is QCY SP7. This is our speaker, so my short answer is yes, the application available for your Android device. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up this application, or you don't know how to add this speaker to the app, you can check these videos at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!